Hello again, third grade. It's Miss Mistretta again. Here we go. We're going to keep working with our pictures and moving to the expanded form and the expanded algorithm when subtracting. All right, we're in step 1. You're going to watch first. Okay, just for these first few videos, you're going to watch first. But when you get really good at this, you're not going to watch me do this. So the first one we're going to do together today is 82 minus 64. I'm going to do 82 minus 64. And if you remember yesterday when we started subtracting, we started looking at our first number and looking to see how many tens and ones we have. There are 8 tens in the number 82. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there are 2 ones. 1, 2. And I know that when I have 8 tens, the value of 8 tens is 80. And I can check that by counting by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And I know when I have 2 ones, the value of 2 ones is just 2. Now I'm going to look at my next number, and my next number is 64. Now remember, when we're subtracting, we're taking away, which means I have to look at my number in parts. I have 64, and I know when I have 64, there's 6 in the tens place, and the value of the 6 is 60. And in the number 64, 4 is in the ones place, which means the value of the 4 is 4. And I'm going to draw my line for subtracting. And now I can see 80 minus 60 and 2 minus 4. And if you remember from our last video, we are always, always, always starting in the ones place. So now, if I have these 2 lonely ones right here and I need to take 4, or if my mom has 2 cookies but I want 4 cookies, we know that that can't work, okay? So I'm going to go borrow from next door. I'm going to take this 10 and I'm going to exchange it. I'm going to put my E for exchange, and I'm going to put 10 ones because I know that 110 is the same as 10 ones, or I know that 110 equals 10. So now when I look right here, I now have 12 ones because 10, 11, 12. And when I look here, I took 1 10 away, and now I have 7 tens, and the value of 7 tens is 70. So now, my friends, I am ready to subtract and show my work. So I'm now going to do 12 minus 4. I'm going to take 4 away. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know that I have 3 here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 12 minus 4 is 8. And then I'm going to take away 60. So if I take away 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, I have this 110 left over, and the value of 110 is 10. So 70 minus 60 equals 10. Now, when I put my number back together, 10 plus 8 equals 18. So 82 minus 64 equals 18. All right, third grade, it's time for step 2, where we do it together. So here we go, we're going to do it together. Our number is 47 minus 18 equals blank. Remember, in step 2, your paper needs to look just like my paper. We're going to do it together. So I'm going to look at our first number, 47. It's our first number, and our larger number, our greater number. When we're subtracting, our larger number always has to be thought about first. So when I have the number 47, I have a 4 in the tens place. So I have 4 tens. And I know that when I have 4 tens in the tens place, the value of that 4 is 40. And then when I look at the number 47, I have 7 in the ones place, which means I know I have 7 ones. And the value of those 7 ones is 7. All right, everyone, remember your paper needs to look like my paper. So if you need to pause at any time to catch up, please pause. All right, now we're going to look at the number 18. I have 1 in the tens place. And when I have 110, the value of 110 is just 10. And when I have an 8 in the ones place, the value of the 8 in the ones place is just 8. And I'm going to do some subtracting. And in every video, we've always started with the ones place, and we've drawn arrows, and we've starred the ones place to make sure that we are always starting there. So if I have 7 ones up here, and my friend wants to come take 8, we can't do that because I only have 7, and 8 is greater than 7. So I'm going to go next door, and I'm going to borrow from my neighbor. And I know that when I exchange 110, I have 10 ones because 110 is equal to 10 ones. And now I know that I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 ones. And I took a 10, and I only have 3 10s left. So the value of my 10s is 30. Now I can go ahead and do my subtraction. So I have 17 ones, and someone's going to come take 8 from me. And I know this was 7, 8, and I have 9 left. 17 minus 8 equals 9. And then 30, I'm going to take away 10, 110. And 30 minus 10 equals 2 10s, or 20. And then when I put my number back together, my number is 29. And our answer is 29. And the problem you're going to do right now on your own is 83 minus 35 equals blank. Now you show your work, you draw your picture, you write your expanded algorithm, and show us what you know.